Welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is a first video in a little multi-part series where I will actually help you go through the Windows 8 interface and so that you could get acquainted with maybe that new computer you just had. Maybe you're in Windows 8 suddenly and you're a little lost. So this is a first in a series of videos on how to actually manage Windows 8 and go through it. Of course, on our channel there's lots of videos about how to do a lot of stuff on Windows 8, and much more coming up. But this one is more of a series on how it works actually and how to go through your Windows 8. So first thing you'll notice is when you start your computer for the first time in Windows 8, you get to this screen. This is what we call the start screen, and it's basically a bunch of tiles. And what people actually aren't used to on Windows 8 is the fact that we now scroll left and right, which is not something very natural for Windows users. We usually will scroll up and down, and left and right is not that easy, or is like I said, not really natural. One thing that can help, you can actually purchase a Windows 8 ready Microsoft mouse that has gestures. If your computer has a touch screen, because two types of computers exist now with Windows 8. You've got the regular laptops and computers with the keyboard and mouse or trackpad on a laptop, but you've got new computers now that either resemble more of a tablet, and so they are touch enabled, or even though they look like a laptop, you can actually touch and just press on those icons on your screen. So you gotta first look at what type of device you have. If you want to scroll from left to right on your start screen, if you have a touch screen, all you have to do is press and slide from left to right, and you'll see that the icons will move left or right. Be careful not to go too far, because if you're on the edge, instead of moving the icons, you'll actually bring up what is called charms. Charms are these little I would say these little panels that actually show up either on the right side of your screen, and also on the left side of your screen. These panels are available. So when you swipe more towards the middle, from left to right or right to left, depending on what you want to do with the tiles, where you want to move. If you don't have a touch screen, then you have two fingers on your touchpad. And to show you two fingers on your touchpad, I'll just show you a little bit here with some light. What I mean by two fingers on the touchpad is you actually go to the pad of your computer and you will swipe like this with two fingers. And this gesture, if I go back to the screen, will show you that it moves the icon left or right on your screen. So your tiles will move from left to right. So that's the first thing you will need to master with your machine. How to move through these tiles from left to right on your screen. So maybe you have a touch machine. I think Windows 8 works great with a touch screen. All touch devices are really, really cool. And if you don't have a touch device, two fingers on your pad. All new laptops and computers have this capability with their pad. If you've bought a desktop with Windows 8, then you can do the same. And it doesn't have a touch screen, of course. You can do the same with the mouse. Good chance is the mouse that will be with your machine will be a Windows 8 specific mouse, which will have gestures available on the mouse itself. So take a look at that. But you gotta remember that tiles are from left to right now. And this is the new way of Windows 8. So this is the first part in a multi-part series. So take a look at other videos if it's helpful and you've just got your new Windows 8 machine, you're lost. I think this little multi-series parts of learning Windows 8 will help in using your machine better. So if you enjoy these videos, click the subscribe button at the top of the screen, and of course if you have any requests of videos of something you would like to see on Windows 8, let us know. We will try to put a video online for you. So take a look at the other parts where I will show you more tricks on Windows 8. Thanks for watching. Hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.